Hey loves, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl and Wanjiku. Welcome to a new vlog. We have decided to be consistent and please do watch all the ads. Aki, don't skip the ads. Please. My humble request is that you'll watch the ads. How to skip. Please just support me in that way and I'll really appreciate it. Anyway, today is on a Friday and actually it's a holiday. Watu ofisi, even though tunasikianga everyday watu wenye tuendangi kazi. So it's a holiday, so hope mko salama. So I want to arrange my house. Nilienda jana home. Let me tell you, the beauty of going back home sometimes, it's good. Nikarudi na hii detergent. My mom sells this detergent. So kuna tuka mtungi mzima, we do that. And we sell it at an affordable price. And then, nikarudi na mandizi. Let me show you. Hapa. I'll prepare matoke. Nimemiss kukula matoke. So nitatengeneza matoke. Probably hata nitaweza tengeneza leo. So my kitchen. Let me open this curtain. Niliwaambia ring light yangu imeharibika. Sina ring light. So this is the state of my kitchen. But hizi ni vyombo safi. Hadi hizo sufuria ni safi. But I want to arrange everything with you. Then, because nilifua on Wednesday, nataka kukunja hizi nguo. No, nilifua on Tuesday, because today is on a Thursday. No, today is on a Friday, so nilifua Wednesday. Yeah, nilifua Wednesday, then I arranged the house. But hope mko salama. Guys, nimemaliza kutengeneza nyumba. I was supposed to go to House of Leather cause nataka kuangalia vase ya maua. Kuna yenye nilikuwa nataka kumikiwa like nilikuwa nataka kupeleka tour guy mwenye ako hapa Kivuli Center. If you live around, you know Kivuli Center. So like anikatie the chupa anitengeneze, but nikaona itakuwa kadogo. Let me show you the bottle. So basically alikuwa nitengeneze na hizi. Like mimi nilikuwa nimesema niko na chupa nitakuja nazo, but they are so small. So nilikuwa nataka kuoga in the House of Leather, but I'm so lazy kuendea maji chini. Aki, this is the disadvantage of living in a single room. Please, if you see any ads playing, Aki, please allow them to play. Allow this girl to win. Allow this girl to win this time. At least nipate to something to move out. Cause but this one, kuna venye. You see, but still tu ni kadogo, so I want a bigger vase, and acha nione kanta manage kwenda House of Leather. So guys, nimechota maji ya kisima, nikaosha vyombo, kulikuwa na vyombo chafu kidogo. So right now I've considered the fact that niko home leo, kesho nitakuwa job, and tomorrow is Saturday, and also on Sunday I'm like acha tu nijiende maji. Obviously mimi nimezaliwa mtaa, so I can be able to carry 20 liters of jerrycan on my back. Sana naendea tu mbili cause hiyo nyingine iko na maji. So guys, naendea hizi mbili. Hii hapa iko na maji, then kuna maji ya kuosha vyombo yenye nitatumia kesho. So for now I'm sorted. Acha tuende maji. So today's on a Saturday, it's the next day. So nime late, I'm going for work. So this is how I've worn. Niko na rubbers, trouser black, and this white t-shirt. So let's go. Then these are deliveries. Kuna nguo zenye napeleka huko. Anyway, hope mko salama. So let's go to work. Don't forget to subscribe, watch the ads please, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.